Hi boys and girls, I'm back to do a science experiment with you today. Today we're going to make it rain in a cup or a glass. Does anybody know what makes it rain? Clouds, good answer. But what makes clouds? So think about it. After it rains, the sun comes out, and then the sun heats up the puddles, the pools, the rivers, the streams, the oceans. And as the water gets warm and warmer, it turns into a gas or a vapor, and it makes droplets that go up into the sky. And those little droplets stick together, and the more and more droplets stick together makes a cloud, and the cloud gets heavier and heavier until it can't hold the water anymore, and then it rains. And then the same thing happens again. The sun heats up the water and it goes back up, and that's called a water cycle. So this experiment has two parts. We're going to make it rain in a cup, and then you're going to do your own experiment that you're going to observe after a week and see how it rains in your bottle. All right, so here we have a straw that we're going to use like we did when we did the experiment with the pipettes. And we have a glass of water, another glass of water, food coloring, and shaving cream. So I'm going to put blue food coloring in here. Okay. So the blue water is going to be our rainwater. And I'm going to put shaving cream right up on top of here. Woo! Okay, so what do you think our shaving cream is going to be? That's right, you guys are so smart. That's going to be our cloud. Okay, so do you remember how we did our experiment with the straw last time? You put the straw in the water, put your finger on top to cover the hole, and then lift, and then when you want the water to come out, just lift up your finger. So we're going to do that to our cloud. Always put newspaper or a bag or something down before using food coloring because it will stain. And it's a good idea to do this over a plate. All right, so let's see if it's going to rain in my cup. Not yet. Put the straw into the clouds a little bit. Keep doing it. I think my cloud's getting heavy yet. Getting a lot of water in that cloud. Not yet. This is a thick cloud, huh? Oh, is it starting to rain? Cloud is getting heavier. There we go. Is it starting to rain yet? Yeah, it works better with the pipette. And I know why. There it goes. When you have an eyedropper or something called a pipette, you're pushing the top and it forces the water out faster, so it looks more like rain. But it's working. See the rain coming down? How does it look, Matt? Coming out?
Slowly.
All that blue is rain. Again, if you do have an eyedropper or a pipette, try it with that. It works better. I've never done this with a straw before, but that's what science is all about, right? Experimenting. See what works and what doesn't work. But it looks pretty cool though. Can you get a close up, Matt? Coming down. And the reason it's coming down is because now our pretend cloud is getting so heavy, the water can't stay up there anymore, and it's coming down as rain. Okay? Part 2 of the experiment. So get a bottle. The bigger the better. And one without ridges would be better, but any kind of plastic bottle should work. And we're going to get some more food coloring and put that in your bottle. And then you're going to take this bottle, close the top, make sure it's tight, and keep it in your windowsill where the sun shines in. So find a part of your house where it's sunny usually. In my house, it's usually in the living room. Keep it on that windowsill. Make sure it's tight in case it falls, it won't spill. And as the sun makes the bottle hot, it's going to heat the water in the bottle, and it's going to make it rise up just like it does outside in nature. And so you'll see all the little blue water droplets up here instead of down here. You'll see that it actually climbs up the bottle. This could happen in a few hours if it's a hot day, or it may take, a day or two. Tomorrow, if it rains, you're going to have to wait for a sunny day. But it's fun to watch, and you can keep it out and look at it every day. You can also then shake it up and start it up again to watch it for another day. But it does take a few hours or maybe a day to work. All right, so that'll be your fun experiment to do at home after this one. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. Take some pictures. Let me know how it went. I'll see you again soon. Bye.